Taco Review, I'm Mike. No Fifi today. Whittier on Whittier Boulevard at Borrego Tacos in Whittier. So I'm getting a little disappointed with the level of taquero-ness that's going on in Whittier, but I'm sure there is some. I just haven't found it. Bagged tortillas. They're fast. The dude is super clean. Like, the place is spotless, totally spotless. I mean, it's all the dude did was clean, like, while everybody else made food, but the guy who served me his food. So I have no doubt that this place is awesomely clean. Just didn't have a trompo. The carnitas, I could tell at first, like when I looked at them, they're a little dried out. But I mean, that, I haven't tasted it yet, so who knows? Okay, that was the Apple Store. There's a little sweetness on the end. I don't know if it's like an onion or maybe some pineapple in there. But it wasn't bad. At least they gave me napkins this time. I didn't have napkins at Chima's. So, oh shit, where'd my napkin go? Well, maybe I dropped it. Anyway, that was okay. It was a little ordinary. Tortilla is really flat. It's super bland. That was a carne asada. A little bit better. I mean, this is how I would expect carne asada tacos to taste in Whittier. It's a little bland. I mean, the tortilla is just killing it, man. These tortillas are not doing these guys any favors. Just make your own damn tortillas, Borrego. Seriously. I'd rather have an overly sweet tortilla. All right, these carnitas actually taste really good. Have a lot of flavor. When I looked at it, I mean, you can see that. It looks super, I don't know, I'm going to zoom in or zoom out. It's super dry. It looks super dry, but it actually isn't. Maybe they finished it on the stovetop, so maybe it's, whatever. It's not bad. It's definitely better than Chima's. Borrego. I mean, they're not a destination taco. I wouldn't drive anywhere to get tacos from this place, but in the twos, excuse me, in the solid twos, a 2.5. It's a 2.5. I wouldn't drive anywhere to get these. They're not a destination taco, but they're definitely a taco that can be saved with a little bit of salsa and some lemon or lime. It's not super duper. They are cheap. I think they're $1.50 a taco. Super clean in there, super fast. So those are the upsides. Downside is just a whole lot. It's just a whole lot of blandness. So got to up the flavor game a little bit, and they might be around a 3. Throw on some homemade tortillas. They go make your own goddamn tortillas, and this is in the 3s. Little sweetness on the tortilla, some sweet masa. Throw a little spoonful of brown sugar in there. Boom. Okay. Anyway, this is Borrego Tacos, Whittier Boulevard, Whittier, 2.5 stars. That's my review.